Yeah, Mr. Hoon, Mr. Hoon.
Mr. Hoon.
Yeah, just call me Mr. Hoon. That's my last name.
Hoon.
My first name is Sutang.
Sutang.
Yeah. Yeah.
How long have you been here in the Philippines?
3 years here.
Ah.
Yeah. I think there.
Yeah, it's the...
Yeah, we go yoto. Yeah, Mr. Hoon. That's my last name. First name is Sultang.
Sutang Hoon.
Hmm?